Hey guys, thanks for stopping by my channel again. It's your girl Slay LT. How you guys doing out there today? And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like, comment on this video if you like this video, all that good stuff. As you guys can see, I am in my glam room today. I have a lot of work that I have to do in here, but since I was in here, I thought I would go ahead and do this unboxing of this bag that I just bought for my birthday. And I have already opened the box, as you can see. You guys won't be able to see my address in here. I purchased this bag from DSW. I purchased this bag from DSW last week, I believe. I actually forgot that I even purchased it. You guys are gonna have to excuse the mess. Like, I'm really trying to get my glam room together, so yeah, it's kind of like all over the place right now. But anyway, I guess I will do some videos where I'm actually showing how I'm getting it together, but for right now, let's go ahead and just get into this unboxing. I love unboxing videos. Okay, so it did come in this box right here, as you can see. This paper, that filling paper that came in the box, of course. Here's the bag. Just put that over, so I believe it has my address on it. Let me put this up here. Oops. Sorry guys, this camera is all over the place. Okay, so we unboxed it, and now I'm going to take it out of the bag. It is the Vince Camuto. This is the third Vince Camuto bag that I have. This is actually the biggest Vince Camuto bag that I've purchased so far, which is, I'm anxious and dying to see what it looks like, because for some reason with Vince Camuto bags, they look good on the pictures that they have them on the internet, but when you actually get the bags, it's like super small for some reason. So even though I was kind of hesitant about buying it, I was like, you know what, this bag is super cute. They had just put it on the website from DSW, and I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and go for it. I have to get this bag. So let me go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. And again, this is the first time I've seen it as well. So, ooh, it's actually a pretty cute color. Love it. Love it, y'all. I love it. I'm trying not to show y'all my mess, but this is the bag, and it's super duper huge. Look at that. I love the material. This is super cute, y'all. This is, oh, I just love the smell of leather. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. This bag has 2 compartments to it. Let me put this in here. I have to throw that out. It has 2 compartments to it, and actually, I'm sorry, it has 3 compartments to it. It has the middle compartment and it has 2 side compartments. A lot of filling, of course. It's actually a really huge bag. I love it. Okay, so the bag has the middle compartment where it actually zips, and then it has a compartment here. It has the Vince Camuto stamping here. And it has a compartment here. Here. It's the second compartment. Now, this bag is definitely leather. I can just smell it. It's really cute. I love this. It's a huge bag. But one thing I will say, I thought it actually had a strap to come with it, but it doesn't look like it does. But it's cool. It's okay. That's okay. This bag, the original price on this bag was the original price on this bag was $200. It was $199. I got a birthday code with it. The birthday code was $10 off for birthday. For my birthday surprise. I'm sorry. If you are a VIP member of DSW, you know that they do have birthday codes that you can use for your birthday. They will send it to you. You have to subscribe to DSW. Once you subscribe to them, they will send you notifications when your birthday comes around. They will give you that $10 off for your birthday, plus whatever coupons you have from purchasing from them throughout the years. I had another $10 off because I had purchased from them. Actually, I purchased from them a lot. There's so many videos I need to upload, which I am. But it was $20 off, and then I had free shipping with it too. So the bag total, with everything off, it came out to, I believe, 160 something. Well, no. You know what? Show you guys what it came out to. It does have the prices. Get to line. It came out to 10. Oh, you know what? Hold on. I got the bag on sale. I don't know why in my mind I'm thinking $199. The bag was actually $119. And with everything off, with shipping, shipping was off. That was free shipping. Tax, it came out to $107.99. So the original price was $199, and then for some reason I got it at $119. Oh, let me mention that I am a VIP customer with DSW, so I'm pretty sure that's why I ordered so many items from them. Sometimes I forget that with different elite, I believe it's a gold member, elite member, or something, where you would get like these automatic discounts. And what they'll do is they'll send you a link anytime they have any new products on the site. You'll get the links first, so you'll see the products like days before everybody else sees it. So usually when I see something that is this of this quality, or something that I really like, I'll go ahead and purchase it early, because I know if it's on the website for a few days, more than likely it's not going to be available probably within a week of the time that they purchase it. So I was really excited about this purchase. Y'all, I love this bag. This bag is really cute, and it goes with a lot of different outfits. I like the fact that it does have Vince Camuto on the outside. A lot of my bags with Vince Camuto, for some reason, it doesn't have the logo outside. It's always inside. This one has the logo outside and inside, so that's actually a win-win for me. Anyway, again, I do love this bag, and I'm so excited I got it for my birthday at this price. If you guys haven't already, as you can see, the manufacturer price on it is $248, so did get a good deal on it. So super excited. Anyway, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Like this video. If you like this video, like this video. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and thumbs up the video. Turn that notification bell on so you know when I do have new videos posted here. You'll get the notification, and you'll know when I have something uploaded, and you know when I have the good deals coming to you guys. And thank you guys so much for your support, who have supported me already. Sorry, I'm getting tongue-tied today. It's that time of the day when it's time to eat. So let me go ahead and get this room together a little bit for today. I have some few items that I do need to put back in boxes, as you can see, and hang. So yeah, thank you guys so much for stopping by, and you guys have a wonderful, enjoy the rest of your day. And that's pretty much it. So remember to be awesome and do awesome things. And until my next video, see you later. Bye.